Now, Dr. Garner, I want to talk a little bit about your sedation technology. It's certainly a growing part of your business, and your guests love it.
Absolutely, Kim. We've done thousands of sedations on folks from all around this area. It makes it so easy because we just give them some pills, they go to sleep, they're totally relaxed, they don't remember anything, they go home, they wake up, and they don't remember anything other than taking a pill. So it makes it so easy for them. And it's neat because we can get a lot of work done because they can sit in that chair for 5 or 6 hours with no awareness of the time going by.
Right.
So we can get a whole lot of work done in one appointment. It is wonderful. One of the best things we do for folks.
To learn more about the procedures at Dental Bliss, go to our website, dentalbliss.com. Do you want to improve your smile? Smile makeovers when we return. Gum disease has been associated with an increased incidence of heart disease, strokes, cancer, arthritis, diabetes, and pregnancy problems.
My teeth were crooked and they were also very stained, and they just weren't pretty.
I was self-conscious, I didn't smile, I was embarrassed.
If I would smile, I would put my hands over my mouth.
There's a saying that smiling and laughter is great medicine, and you can actually leave Dental Bliss with that medicine in the form of a perfect smile. Dr. Garner, you are on the forefront when it comes to cosmetic dentistry. I want to talk a little bit about the procedures.
What you said about a smile is really true. In fact, research lately in the last few months has shown that a smile increases the good brain chemicals that lift your mood. So smiling does make you feel good. It is good medicine. And at Dental Bliss, we do some amazing things cosmetically. One of the things we do now that's new is we do a type of porcelain veneer, which we use in our smile makeovers. It's extremely thin. We don't have to do any tooth reduction, which means we don't have to give you a shot, and we don't have to use the drill.
Oh.
You know, it's a smile. It's something that I have every day of my life. You spend money on things that are important to you, and my smile is very important to me.
Another thing we do, which we do all the time now, it's called a gum lift. That's where people have a really gummy smile. When they smile, you see a lot of gums. It doesn't look real good. But we can use a laser now to remove that gum tissue, where used to you had to use a scalpel. So it's pain-free, quick healing. It's wonderful. And of course, everything we do at Dental Bliss is metal-free, so it's going to look beautiful when you open your mouth. No metal showing anywhere.
And of course, the guest plays a major role in perfecting their smile.
You sit down with Dr. Garner and he actually does a mock-up of your mouth, and then you go back and he shows you options about how the canines look, you know, the degree of whiteness, and together you work out the particulars of making that smile the best that it can be.
When we have a guest come in here for a smile design, we directly talk to them to find out exactly what they want. Every step of the process, they're right there with us, telling us their input, so that we know exactly what they want, how they want it to look exactly, the shapes of the teeth, the lengths, the colors, everything, the whole design, so that they know in the end what they're getting is what they're seeing before we ever start, so there are absolutely no surprises. We all have the same expectations, and we get the exact same thing. We're looking for the same result at the end.
Basically, you can pick out the smile you'd like, and of course, with the framework of your teeth and your smile as it is, he can take any of those aspects and incorporate it into it.
I can get straight teeth. I can keep my permanent teeth, get straight teeth, and have white teeth that will not stain. You know, why would I not want these?
We use the latest technology. It's called Zoom. It's a special light that we shine on your teeth right after we paint a gel on that whitens your teeth and makes them very bright. It's pain-free, very little sensitivity. It's the latest, greatest thing out there.
I didn't realize it would look that good. There's no way I could be happier. And now I smile all the time. I can hardly help it.
Dr. Garner, I know that it makes you and your staff so happy to see how people are changed from the inside out just simply by getting a great smile.
It's incredible, Kim, what we do here for people. It's not unusual for folks to come in here for a smile design. The first appointment they come in, they may come in with their hand over their mouth. They may be just looking down and not even opening their mouth. We had guys that have grown their mustaches all the way down to their lower lip just so their teeth wouldn't show. And it's affected every part of their life.
My personality went from just being a sad person to being a very happy, chipper person.
And it's just so neat When we're able to change that, it totally changes their personality. They come out of their shell. They do better at their work, they do better socially, and their family life even gets better because their self-esteem is so much better than it was.
I'm real proud to smile, and I like to laugh, I like to joke around a lot, and I smile after my jokes a lot more now.
Most people say you look 10 years younger.
But it just makes our day when we get to do that. I get a lot of hugs and kisses from folks when we're done.
Working for Dental Bliss, it almost feels like we're miracle workers, and I'm not trying to be funny, it's just that it's just changes, and people that thought they could never go to a dentist or never thought they would be pretty or have that confidence to work in their job and not be afraid or to be afraid to even smile and talk, and we have that. You'd be surprised how many people go out and achieve their goals after they get the confidence with their smile.
For more information on cosmetic dentistry, go to our website, dentalbliss.com. The wellness side of the Dental Bliss Spa, coming up next.
Well, what's not to enjoy about a massage?
Massage therapy plays a very important role in the wellness philosophy of the Dental Bliss Spa. While guests are having dental work done, they get to feel the healing touch of masseuse Becky Kroll.
Sometimes I'm just in there to give them a nice hand massage, and then sometimes I can be their best friend if they're really nervous about having something done or they have been dreading it.
I've been treated to a couple of hand massages, which I think is a wonderful touch. It certainly helps ease any tension that you may have.
And then I come in and I take care of them, and I hold their hand, or I massage their arm, or I talk to them, or we laugh together. It's like, you know, it's kind of like having your friend or a buddy in there with you while you're doing something that you don't necessarily want to do. It's relaxing to them, and they can kind of feel a little bit safer, I think.
So just to be there in the chair, having them work on you, and then having someone just work on your hands and your arms, and it's just almost lulls you into a sleep. I forget I'm at the dentist. I have to keep saying that, I'm at the dentist.
Dr. Garner, why is massage therapy so important to you?
There are two reasons, Kim, why we emphasize massage therapy here at Dental Bliss. The first one, obviously, is there's not a more relaxing moment in your life than when you're sitting on that massage table. At least for me, that's how it works. So that's the first thing. The second reason is massage is very therapeutic. It has a wonderful effect on the rest of your body, its health, because it relieves stress, which is a huge factor in inflammation, which causes numerous health problems throughout your body. So a wonderful massage not only feels great, but it's helping your body get better and be more healthy.
Most people have some sort of issue going on. They might have some tension up here in the upper back, or they may have low back issues, or they may be more athletic and have, like, you know, hamstring problems. And I try to work on whatever it is that they need and use the different techniques that I do. I do neuromuscular, deep tissue, Swedish, acupressure, reflexology, whatever they want.
I have never had a massage therapist who can work the knots out of my back and my shoulders and my hamstrings and my calves without killing me. She has never made me want to come up off the table screaming. And somehow or another, she just works along a lump and it just goes away. I don't know how she does it, but she does it really well. Becky's good.
They're taking care of your whole body. They can take care of just head to toe. They'll try and take care of you and make sure that whatever's going on with you, that you walk out and you feel like a whole different person. And I enjoy that at Dental Bliss.
For more information on massage therapy at Dental Bliss, feel free to go to our website, dentalbliss.com. And when we come back, the role that nature plays right here at our spa. This is not your normal, conventional reception area. That is, unless you're at Dental Bliss. And you see this little buzzer? It lets you know when it's time for your appointment. Now, Dr. Garner, I have to talk about your two reception areas. We've already seen the beautiful indoors of Dental Bliss, but this is your outside sanctuary that you have created just for all of your guests. Now, why is the relaxation of outdoors so important to you?
Well, Kim, first of all, because it's very important to me. When I want to relax, when I want to calm down, when I want to chill,
Nice.
I go outside somewhere. And it's just the most relaxing experience I can have in my life. So I thought when we created Dental Bliss, where the ultimate goal of everything is to help people be totally relaxed, was that I'd make an outdoor sanctuary so people can actually come out here before their appointment,
Right.
they can come out here after their appointment, or they can come anytime. We have patients that just come and spend time out here sometimes. And we have photographers that come out here and take photos all the time.
And the doors are open and you can see outside down to the nature walk. It's unbelievable. It's beautiful.
He's brought nature into the building. He has blurred the line between what's outside and what's inside as far as nature goes.
It's really like being in a mountain retreat, and it's hard to believe that it's right in your back door.
Because as I look around, I see a pond, a bridge, beautiful flowers, gorgeous trees. It all seems to work together in harmony.
Absolutely. I mean, we designed this, spent just as much time in designing this as we did the building, because everything has to work together. And we have all kinds of fountains, 2 creeks, swings, chairs, hammocks, anything you can imagine out here to relax, we have it out here for folks.
They encouraged me to walk around and take a tour of this lovely place, and just nothing like a dentist or doctor office or anything I've ever experienced, truly.
It gave you something else to look at that was gorgeous and peaceful to take your mind off the fact that you're at the dentist office.
It never ceases to amaze me at how people's lives are changed from the inside when you simply just work on the outside, giving them the perfect smile.
We get to take folks who are phobic, had been to the dentist in 10 or 20 years. We give them a brand new set of teeth, a healthy smile. They feel good about themselves. They can eat, they can chew, they can smile. We take someone that's hated their teeth their whole life, the way they look. We give them a beautiful new smile with a smile makeover. Or sometimes it's as simple a thing as just doing a root canal on someone painlessly for the first time in their life. But it absolutely changes people's lives.
His staff, which is the best staff I've ever seen at any business, anywhere. Most kind, most loving, most efficient. They take care of you, go out of their way to meet your needs and to make you feel comfortable. But he said that they would gather in the mornings and they would say a prayer that their gifts were used for healing, and that everybody who came in would leave happier and uplifted and healed. And I just thought, that is so impressive. That's what your gifts are supposed to be used for, to take care of people and not like, hey, hope we can make a bunch of money today. And it doesn't feel like that here. It feels like they're caring about me and they're healing me and they're making my day definitely better than it was before I saw them.
Thank you for spending time with us today. And as always, Dr. Garner, I'd like to thank you and your staff for the incredible opportunity to show everybody the Dental Bliss Spa.
Thank you, Kim. You've been unbelievable today. Thank you so much. For our viewers, I would just like to say, if you'd like to have the kind of experiences that you've heard about in our testimonials today, just give us a call here at Dental Bliss, 794-8810, or check out our website, dentalbliss.com, because we can truly give you a dental experience unlike any you've ever imagined. Just please give us a call.
We'll see you next time, right here.
No one should have those experiences that I had. They did not have a place like Dental Bliss when I was growing up. Now they do. To me, this is what everyone should be coming to, and every dentist office should be striving for.
They have given me that spark in my life, that knowing that everything is going to be okay and that I can smile again. That's what I am so thankful for.
You know, I felt like I had the hump removed off my back or something. They're like, wow.
I know this sounds crazy, but it really is a joy to come here. I look forward to it.
Whether it's for a regular checkup or a smile makeover, Dental Bliss is a phone call away. Make your appointment now, or for more information, visit us on the web.